Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about decorating for fall. So I'll be showing you guys how I decorated my fireplace area for fall. So if you are interested in this video, please keep watching. And I'm also collaborating with TMB Designs. Guys, please go check her out. You guys will love her. She has great home decorating and home decor haul videos. She is super sweet. Her link to her channel will be down in the description box. I would love for you guys to check her out and let her know that I sent you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So when I was decorating this area, I definitely wanted that pop of fall color. But also, of course, I wanted to keep it glam. You guys know that I love decorating with the glam style. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys where I got the items from and how I decorated this area. So I'm going to start with the very bottom part of this fireplace area. So to the right hand side, I have this little pumpkin patch that I created. I definitely wanted that glam factor, so I found the small pumpkin here from Burlington. Guys, it was about $9.99, and this big pumpkin here that spells out thanks is from TJ Maxx. It is so beautiful, guys. It is gorgeous. Definitely glam, and I'm really loving that gold detail on it. And the very small one that says grateful, thankful, and blessed is from TJ Maxx, and I think they all go really well together, and it's definitely giving me that fall vibe, but definitely still remaining very glam. So right beside it to the left hand side, I have my basket that I got from TJ Maxx, and I just kind of added my little throw and a pillow. I love this leopard print throw that I got from TJ Maxx, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I love the pattern. I love that it's really complementing the area really well, and it's super soft. I think leopard print is definitely trending for fall, so it really goes well with the space. And I also added this pillow that I got last year from TJ Maxx, and I think it all goes really well in that little corner. So I added some fall colors on the mantle because I wanted to kind of warm up the space a little more, and I'm really loving the fall like traditional colors this year, so I decided to add that to my mantle. So right here I have this candlestick that actually lights up. It is so beautiful, guys. It is like a mercury glass type candlestick, and I have an LED candle sitting right on top. I added some pine cones that I spray painted gold, and you guys, this is my Dollar Tree pumpkin right here. I used this in a previous DIY. If you missed that, I will link it up so you can go check it out. It is really pretty. You would not know that this is from the Dollar Tree. And I also added a garland to kind of warm up the space, and this is a beautiful garland here. I added my own personal touch to it. I added some items to it to kind of make it very unique, but it's definitely fall vibe. It is definitely still glam, and I love that warmth that it's really bringing it into the space. Here again is that Dollar Tree pumpkin. I spray painted the stem gold, and I think it really goes well with the space. So let me know down in the comment section what color you're using to decorate for fall. I think for me, I stayed neutral, but I definitely wanted that fall vibe, so I added a little bit of fall color. Let me know, you guys, what color are you using to decorate for fall? Oh, I also added some string lights to kind of add a little bit of a whimsical touch to the space so that when we turn off the light, it'll be really beautiful. Can't you see the hand of heaven is upon you? So I hope this video inspires you as you decorate your home for fall. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. What was your favorite part of this fireplace area? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to check out TMB Designs. She will be decorating her entryway for fall. So please check her out and let her know that I sent you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I will definitely love for you to join the Moji Style family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.
Sheep inside the belly of the beast, but thanks to God now I made it out of